Welcome to On a Travel Hunt with us. My name is Jay.
And I'm Lydia.
Before we get into our video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more on a travel hunt with us.
In our first episode, and it's only right that we talk about our first time on the West Coast in Las Vegas. So this will be our one-night stay in Bally's in Las Vegas.
We arrived early at Bally's, and check-in was pretty smooth. We did the early check-in. It's a lot of kiosks that was available. However, it was a front desk associate there to help us with the check-in process.
And I actually pulled her to the side and I asked her were there any available upgrades. And there was. So instead of paying the $40 for the early check-in fee, we paid the $40 for the upgrade, which was worth it because we were so jet lagged and tired.
So here's a video of our tour of our room. Come on in. Welcome on the travel hunt. Welcome to our channel. As you see, the shirt says just catch a flight, so that's what we did. We caught a flight into Las Vegas, and we'll be staying one night here at Bally's Resort Hotel. Come on, let me introduce you. So we got the One King Resort Suite. It comes with a king bed, as you see. Nice king bed. By the looks of it, it's very comfortable. Nice headboard, nice decor in the background. 2 lamps you see, and nice dressers. Over here you have your, I'm gonna estimate, say it's about a 40-inch Panasonic flat screen TV. It's very nice, it'll work. For ones that may be here on travel and business, you have your desk here. It's set up for, if you want to blog or just some work related stuff right here for you. Now, me personally, I like the big view. Look at this big window view. Now, it said that this was a strip view. However, it's like a partial strip view. And you can see from here, Paris, the Bellagio, and the Cosmopolitan. And if you look further down, you can actually see the strip from down there. So what a nice view. Also, you have 2 chairs, 2 lounge couches right here by your window. They're a little dated. They could use some upgrading, but hey, they're 2 comfortable couches, and you can sit and relax on in the evening. Also, another thing too, got a bench here at the end of your bed too. So ladies and men, you want to put your shoes on and just lounge right here while you're watching TV. It's a nice look too. Another big thing for the room, jacuzzi tub. Now, disclaimer, make sure before you start this bad boy, you pour all your jets downward, because I did not, and I got water on the floor. A little water, we clean it up, it's all good to go. Now, you do have 2 big closets here for your storage. A lot of storage, you see that, you're picking that one. And it's this one as well, a lot of storage for your luggage and things of that nature. And you got luggage racks, ironing board for you as well. Just come further this way, you got your sink. Good thing about this, you got a his and her sink too, on both sides. We got some toiletries up here. We just bought our own, just for comfort level, we just bought our own. And here's your bathroom, your own personal private bathroom. You don't gotta worry about the door being wide open. What's in there with the shower? Go in there, close the door, you're good to go. The shower's pretty nice. You got a big shower. And it's cool because as I go in on this side, you can go in on that side. So it's a nice big shower head. It looks pretty cool. And it's got a shower bench in here too, so it's pretty nice as well. Now, all in all, I'm gonna say for one night, it's pretty good. Also over here, you have your vanity in the back. For any, you guys, you ladies want to do your makeup or get dolled up in the back, that's for you right there. So let's break down some pros and cons of Bally's.
Pros, great strip location, just right across the street from the Bellagio fountains. It was a big and spacious room. And what I really loved is you had to show your key card to security in order to get up to the room. And it was at a great price point. You can't beat it.
Some cons of Bally's. The hotel had a strong smoke smell, and mainly it was from the casino floor. And it's kind of downer because you have to travel through the casino floor to get to the elevators, get up to your room. So they could do a little better job at managing that smell. Another con is the ride share. So when you get dropped off at, and from ride shares in front of Bally's, but however, to request a ride, you have to go to the side of Bally's. And it's not really labeled for signage in the hotel. And so you have to really ask somebody to point you in that direction. So it'd be nice if that could get upgraded too. Overall, the room was real big and spacious. However, it was dated. The TV was like a 40-inch TV, and it was pretty old. So they could have definitely made the TV a little better and updated the room a little more. Also, another con is the restaurant situation within Bally's. It's not many places to eat at, really, at least not nothing that interests us. So if you really want something good to eat, you got to travel outside of Bally's and go down the strip, really. But overall, the price point, the location, and everything about Bally was great. I would recommend it. For a good starter Vegas hotel.
I agree.
So if you're ever in Vegas, Bally's is a good starter hotel for the price point, the location's dead center of the strip, and it's where all the happenings is. Thank you for liking and commenting and subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more on Travel Hunt with us.
Bye, y'all.